Marlin Tyre and Mechanical Workshop software by Megabus enables fleet credits to be recorded against customers using the Journal Entry module, which can be accessed by selecting Daily Activity, then Journal Entry from the menu bar. To add a new journal entry, click on the Add button to the top right of the Journal Entry window. Use the accounting date picker to select when the credit was received from the supplier and add a description in the Notes text box below. A customer line can be added by clicking on the Add Customer button to the top right of the details list. Use the picker to select the customer the fleet invoice was completed for and enter the fleet credit number in the customer reference field below, then click OK. In the credit cell of the new customer line, enter the total amount of the original fleet invoice. A balancing supplier line can then be added by clicking on the Add Supplier button to the top right of the details list. Use the picker to select the supplier the fleet credit was received from and enter the fleet credit number in the supplier reference field below, then click OK. In the debit cell of the new supplier line, enter the total amount of the credit they have provided. If necessary, additional account and tax lines can also be added to balance any differences between the original invoice and the supplier credit. Once all of the appropriate lines have been added and balanced, the journal can be committed as usual by clicking on the Commit button to the top right of the module window. The payment can then be allocated to the customer as a $0 payment using the Customer Payments module. Visit megabus.com.au for more information and take control of your workshop with Marlin Tyre and Mechanical Workshop software.